here's my story. I used to always think I have a fucking aesthetic body, and then there came a day where I watched a video on how to like make a shirt fit better or something. And one of the tips in the video was to build like bigger shoulders. It was like kind of interesting because like I never used to like, actually train shoulders at that time, and because like I thought like junk volume in the exercise because I used to follow a push pull leg split at that time. So the moment I started training, like I saw the results in the first day itself. Like and I was like checking myself out in the mirror, like my chest and everything, like my arms looked huge, like bigger than before. Like I'm telling you, like that's only where I noticed like how important it is to train like every muscle in the body. So like and first I'll tell you like how to build an aesthetic body, and I tell you like first I'll tell you like how to not how to but like what muscles to like focus on like for the aesthetic body. So the muscles you have to focus on. I let's tell you this thing like the first one is the lats. So basically why the lats is because this is the main muscle which gives you that V taper in your body. Because like when you have a shirt of like basically all you have to do is like the lats is basically the part which is like present in your like this area like right above your obliques over here. Like if you have seen the people do this and like you see those kind of wing things, right? That is the lats. That is the thing which like gives a V taper to the guy. And that is only if your like lats are like, bigger than your waist. So like I'm kind of working on it right now. Yeah, it's damn tough to like grow my back right now. I don't know why. Lol. Then the next one is the side delts. The same thing like applies here also gives you like a bigger like V taper if you like because it look more wider like that. And yeah, obviously like yeah, it's obviously bigger than your waist, so like yeah, you figure it out. Next thing is your like abs. Like why abs is because you it's like a fundamental to aesthetic physique, bro. Like just imagine you have a like full aesthetic body, like the good arms and good back and everything. You have a V tape and everything, but like no abs. Like just imagine. Like you take the example of Dwayne Johnson, like guy is jacked as fuck, but doesn't have abs. Like that's a different thing that he can't have abs because of like some accident in which he like tore some part of his like I don't know like ab muscle which like he can't be flexed right now or something. I don't know, but like I just know like he can't have abs anymore. So like yeah, if you want to know like how important it is, like just compare like Dwayne Johnson's physique with like the same guy with the same height and the same body weight and like physique and everything with abs though. That abs can make like day and night difference. I'm telling you. So arms, like again, that's also a fundamental thing. Cause like you have to like have bigger arms to get a like better V taper. Because like imagine you have a V taper and you have like bitch arms like mine. Lol. Next one is upper chest. This one is because yeah, upper chest like it just makes you look better. And if you don't have like a upper chest, you won't have like such a good looking chest. Like especially those people who do like a lot of push-ups like Andrew Tate, you might see that they has the weird lower chest in them. So like that's why like this is the reason like in like every push day of mine like I don't go to a gym, I train calisthenics like I end like every workout of mine with like a decline push up till failure. I get in like around 50 reps, clean ones. And the next one I think like many people like neglect it because like this muscle like I also used to never train like I never seen everything anyone like train this properly actually. the neck, because again this is something which like guys neglect, and for the most guys who like look jacked but have like a skinny neck. So like yeah, I get the point. Like you have like you're like what 200 pounds, but like have a skinny ass neck. Mm. But it also has like another benefit, which is like it trains a vocal cords, so like you get this deep voice from inside, like just like a note, just to like make you guys aware. I'm not saying the other muscles like the lower back, legs, and rear delts, and any other muscle like should not be neglected, because we don't want to be that guy who is like just trains upper body and like has like chicken legs. And basically, what I'm trying to say is like overall try to have a balanced physique, but like give more like importance to the back and what our muscles that I spoke to you right now. So yeah, that's it for this video. I'll be ending this video right now. Share this video with your friends. Don't be a fucking crab though. If you found some value in this video, please subscribe to my channel for more educational content like this. The grind may go unnoticed, but the results won't.